So hi and welcome to this tutorial on understanding the area of a circle. In this lesson, we learned how to calculate the area of a circle using the simple formula. This is a useful skills in both math and real-life situation, like when figuring out how much space in circular garden or table takes up. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand the parts of a circle, know the formula for area, and be able to solve the problem step by step. So we proceed to the objectives. So define a circle and its parts, learn the formula for the area of a circle, understand how the formula is derived, solve problems involving the area of a circle. So, area of a circle formula. Area A is equal to pi times r squared, where pi is equal to 3.14, or to the use of pi button on a calculator. Then r, radius of the circle. So what is a circle? A circle is a set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from the fixed point called the center. So radius, distance from the center to any point on the circle. Then diameters, distance across the circle through the center, or D is equal to 2r. Why the formula works? The circle area is related to the square for its radius. Think of slicing the circle into many pieces and rearranging it into the shape that resemble the parallelogram. So, this is how mathematicians derive the formula. For example, find the area of the circle with a radius of 7 cm. So, the formula is A is equal to pi times r squared. So A is equal to pi is equivalent to 3.14 times the radius is 7 squared. So A is equal to 3.14 times 7 is 49. So 3.14 times 49 is the area of 7 centimeter is 153.86 centimeters squared. So another example is radius equal to 5 centimeter. So formula A is equal to pi times r squared. So A is equal to the pi equivalent to 3.14 times the radius is 5 squared. Then A is equal to 3.14 times 5 times 5 is 25. So 3.14 times 25. So the area of 5 centimeter is 78.5 centimeters squared. Then another example is radius equal to 10 centimeter. So again, the formula is A is equal to pi times r squared. So A is equal to pi is equivalent to 3.14 times the radius is 10 centimeters, so 10 squared. So A is equal to 3 times 14, 3.14 times 10 times 10 is 100. So the area of 10 centimeter is 3.14 centimeter squared. So in real life application, so for example, pizza or pie sizing, designing circular gardens, wheels and gears, construction and architectures. In summary, area of a circle is equal to pi times r squared. Always square the radius. Then use 3.14 or pi in your calculators. Then practice makes perfect. So This is the end of my discussion. Thank you for listening.